Hardening their stance on the three new agricultural laws, farmer leaders said that they will make the government repeal these legislations and asserted that their fight has reached a stage where they are determined to win it no matter what. They said that they will completely block the Chilla border between Delhi and Noida today to press for their demands, adding that farmer unions are not running away from negotiations, but the government has to pay heed to their demands and come forward with a concrete proposal. Addressing a press conference at the Singhu border, farmer leader Jagjit Singh Dalewal said that the government is saying we won't repeal the laws, we are saying we will make you do it. The fight has reached a stage where we are determined to win it no matter what, he said. Another leader, Yudhvir Singh, said that the more days protesting farmers stay put at Delhi border points, their protest will intensify further and added that the government is wrong if it thinks otherwise. Today is the 21st day of the farmers' agitation against the agricultural laws. The petition to remove the farmers from the borders of Delhi will be heard in the Supreme Court today. This petition was filed by a law student, Rishabh Sharma. He said that the public is facing hardship due to the jamming of roads because of the farmers' protest. The petition says that there is also an increased risk of coronavirus due to not following social distancing at the protest site. Several Khap panchayats in Muzaffarnagar, meanwhile, have supported the movement of farmers. These Khap panchayats will join the demonstration of farmers on the borders of Delhi on 17th of December. Secretary of Akhil Khap Council, Subhash Balyan, gave this information. Here, farmer organizations have said that they will completely block the Chilla border between Delhi and Noida today. Counting of votes polled in the crucial local body elections began today morning with the traditional political fronts CPIM-led LDF and Congress-headed UDF and BJP NDA keeping their fingers crossed as its results is generally seen as pointer to the upcoming assembly election in Kerala. A total of 21,893 wards in 1,200 local self-governing bodies, including 6 corporations, 941 village panchayats, 14 district panchayats and 87 municipalities went to poll in 3 phases in the southern state on December 8, 10 and December 14th. According to Election Commission figures, a total of 73.12% voter turnout was recorded in the first phase, 76.78% in the second phase, and 78.64% in the third and final phase. The counting began at 244 centers at 8 a.m. in the morning, and the final results are expected to be out by noon. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday lit up the Swarnim Vijay Mashaal at the National War Memorial in Delhi to mark the 50th anniversary of India's victory in the 1971 India-Pakistan War, which is celebrated as Vijay Divas. India celebrates December 16 as Vijay Divas to commemorate its victory over Pakistan during the 1971 war that led to the creation of Bangladesh. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh unveiled the logo for Swarnim Vijay Varsh to mark Vijay Divas on the 50th anniversary of the 1971 India-Pakistan War. PM Modi, Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat and the Tri-Service Chiefs laid wreaths to pay homage to the fallen soldiers. The United States has strongly condemned the defacing of a Mahatma Gandhi statue last week in front of the Indian Embassy in Washington, D.C., as the White House described the incident as terrible, stressing that he fought for the values that America represents. This is the second incident in less than 6 months. It's terrible. No statue or memorial should be desecrated, and certainly not one like that of Mahatma Gandhi, who really fought for the values that America represents of peace, justice, and freedom, White House Press Secretary said during a press briefing on Tuesday. It is appalling that it has happened more than once, and we believe that the reputation of Mahatma Gandhi should be respected, especially here in America's capital, she added.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.